Hi, in this video we are covering a question based on projectile motion. This question was covered in IIT JEE 1997. Here we are given the equation of projectile, which is a parabolic equation, and x and y are the horizontal and the vertical distances from the point of projection. So let's say we have this point of projection P, and this is x, this is y. So whatever motion covered in x will be given in this direction. Okay, now at x equal to 0, the y will also come 0. So our first point will be here, from where it is projected. Let's say the velocity at this point is in this direction, which is making an angle theta over here. And then, since this equation is a parabolic equation, since it's a quadratic equation in x, so the final motion will be in this direction. You can verify the plot by putting different values or something. You can try that. Next thing is, we are asked to find the maximum height and the angle of projection from the horizontal, which is theta, and the maximum height will be this h. Now there are two ways to solve this question. So what we have done is we have made two videos. In this video we are going to cover a quicker way to do the solution and to do the question, and it might not be very intuitive to some of you, but in the second video the solution will be easier and it is a little time taking, lengthier one. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is we have to find the maximum height. For maximum height in this parabola, in order to find this, we can see here that the velocity at this point in the y direction, velocity in the y direction is 0. Velocity in the x direction is non-zero. Other thing we can say is the slope of the trajectory is 0 at this point. We know that if we want to, in general, if we are, in mathematics also, when you will be covering some more something related to calculus, okay, you will be seeing that in order to find the maximum of anything, we will differentiate it with respect to the changing component. Here it is x. Okay, so the dy by dx at the maximum point is 0. Now what is dy by dx here? This is the slope of the trajectory. Slope of the trajectory is indeed 0 here, right? And the slope of the trajectory is theta here, tan theta here. Okay, so so there are again two ways to do it. One thing is we can directly do dy by dx. The dy by dx for this equation will be a dx by dx minus 2bx dx by dx. We know that the change in x with respect to x will be 1. Okay, so a minus 2bx, which is 0 as per this. Okay, so this implies a equals 2bx or x equals a by 2b. Now x equals a by 2b is this distance, alright, at which we have the maximum height. Now if we insert this back into our equation, what we'll get is we'll get the maximum height. We'll get the height at that particular x, which is the maximum height. So this will be solving this will get you a square by 4b. This is the maximum height. The other way of solving the question for maximum height is, by taking the help of Vy equal to 0, and Vy is dy by dt. So we'll differentiate y with respect to t. So you should pay attention here that how we are differentiating it with respect to t. Earlier we differentiated it with respect to x. So x was the variable. Now t is the variable. T is the with respect to t we are finding the variation of y. Okay, so we will differentiate the variables with respect to t, not with respect to x, because x is a variable. So since x is the variable, we cannot differentiate it with respect to x, but the need is to differentiate it with respect to t, so we will differentiate it with respect to t. This will be this, then dx by dt. Now dx by dt is nothing but vx. Okay, so vx will be written as common, a minus 2bx. Here at maximum height, the vx is non-zero. Since vx is non-zero and vy is 0, so a minus 2bx has to be 0, which implies x equals a upon 2b. And we saw it earlier as well that at x equal to a by 2b, y comes to be a upon a square upon 4b. Okay. Now the other part of the question, in which we have to find the angle theta. Okay, so the quickest way to do it is you can see at x equal to 0, the angle is theta. The slope is the tangent is making the theta angle with x-axis. How do we find the slope of tangent at this point? We do what we do is we do dy by dx, which is equals to tan theta. So that's what I was saying. This is not very intuitive. We will look into the other method in the other video. Okay, so we have a minus 2bx here equal to tan theta. Since this is tan theta only at x equal to 0, so we'll put x equal to 0 here, which will come a. Hence we get the answer that theta equals tan inverse a. Hope I was able to clear the doubt. Now we'll see you in the next video. For more doubts or better solutions, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you.